This is Gabby, and today is her makeover. This is her before, and this is Gabby after. How did we get here? Let's find out today on The Beauty Shaman. We started with some Restoring Youth Serum, which is a vitamin C serum with tetrahexydecyl ascorbate and oil-soluble vitamin C. Then I put an SPF 50 with moisturizer on top, just to hydrate her skin and protect her for the rest of the day. Then I threw on a little Ben Nye foundation. I always love a sheer foundation, sheer to medium coverage for mature skin. Gabby's in her 40s and she has beautiful skin, so she just needs to even it out just a bit. Then I put on a little concealer only where she needs it, which actually is over her eyelids. Her eyelids have a little darkness on the lid, so I just use concealer because she doesn't have oily lids, so she can handle the concealer on her lid and under her eye as well. A little powder just to take away some of that shine. Then I use the medium bronzer by Bobbi Brown. This has a lot of red in it, and for her Latino skin, this works beautifully. As you can see, I put a little on her high points on her forehead, under her cheekbones, and then a little bit under her chin. To fill in her eyebrows, I'm using eyeshadow. This has been one of my habits for some of these makeovers. I love a very natural eyebrow line. I don't like something that looks too fake and forced. Then I use a little eyebrow gel just to get the hairs on her eyebrows to go north, basically, rather than south. After doing a nice warm blush here, this is Copper Tone blush, I wanted to warm up her cheeks a bit because everything else we're going to use on her lips and her eyes has more of a cool tone to it. So this lipstick is a lovely raspberry pinky color. It's nice and bright for the summer and her beautiful white shirt, and I really wanted to do something bright and colorful on her as opposed to a smoky eye or something darker. I wanted to really make use of the spring-summer looks here. I put on a little lip liner. This is just a brick lip liner to help her lipstick stay on and to really frame her lips. She's got a very beautiful face, so I felt like I wanted her lips to be strong and bright. As you will see, her eyes are too, but it has a lightness and a freshness to it that I really like. Then I go to her eyes. Now I'm using just a gel liner here as an eyeliner. So with her big eyes, this liner really looks pretty, and it's right between her lashes, so it's a very dense color, but it's not black, which I think would be too harsh given the fact that I want this to have some lightness to it, with a bright lip color, and as you will see, a brighter eyeshadow color. So I just applied it gently next to her lashes, but it's a fairly dense product color-wise, and I also winged the liner just a bit. Ooh, very pretty, isn't it? Then we used a little blue, a very deep kind of cobalt blue over that eyeliner. So you can do this. You can use any color eyeliner you want and put any color of eyeshadow on top of it. And I like to do this because it sort of evens everything out and it also softens it down. That's the coral color I'm using. So it's a lovely, bright, pinky corally color, and I just put it in that lovely crease that she has with her big eyes. Absolutely beautiful eyes, and I just wanted to bring out the shape. We've brought out the eye line and that lovely winged liner, but I also really wanted to pull together the color of her lipstick in her eyeshadow. This is just a peachy glitter. You can just use any sort of peachy golden would be fine too, and I just wanted to pop that inner corner. Then I used sort of a peachy corally color on her lid itself just to even everything out and to soften it down a bit, more like a blending color. A little mascara on top, Jane Iredale, just on the top lashes, just so she can have some nice thick standout lashes. I wanted her lashes to be fairly thick for this look. Then I take a lovely cranberry color and put it underneath her eye. Her eye can handle a fair bit of makeup, so this is a cranberry, which I also wanted, again, just colorful and bright. So this is very pretty. And here she is with the end result. Please sign up for my newsletter for insider deals and discounts on thebeautyshaman.com. And thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.